Hi Reece, I'm Bec Judd and welcome to Arthur's Seat. This is my modern Australian country escape and I can't wait to show you around. Come with me. Here I am in the main ensuite and it's probably one of my most used spaces in the house. Now having 4 kids, it needed to be big enough for all of us, have ample storage, but it also needed to feel like a gorgeous oasis. Reece always strikes the perfect balance between being functional and really elevated. I've gone with the Issy Adorn Vanity by Zuster. I've gone for the Grace handle with the Carrara marble insert, and I just love the narrow shaker profile. It is just another level of elegance. We selected the Millie Aurea cross taps here in the bathroom. It's in the gunmetal, which you'll see repeated throughout the house. I love adding lots of materials and texture when I design my interiors, and you'll see I've done that in here with the Laufensona basins. You've got this fluted shape here, which also is repeated through the V-join. In the shower, we've gone with the Millie Mood twin rail, of course, in the gunmetal. We've repeated the exact same Reece products in this smaller bathroom, and what I love about the Issy range is that it's completely customizable, meaning that you can select your dimensions so everything fits perfectly. One of the key elements when choosing the tapware was that it had to match the home. So we've gone with this gorgeous gunmetal finish and it's got excellent durability. This is the Sussex Scala sink mixer and I actually have these in my home in Brighton as well. I've been using them for so long. I love that it's an Australian made brand and the shape is pretty iconic. It was important for us to pop lots of great Australian product and design into the property. I've been working with Reece for almost a decade now, but this is the first time that I've used exclusively Reece products for my pool. The team were very expert and guided me through every step of the way, and I think you'll agree that the final product is incredible. This pool/spa is small, but it certainly packs a punch. The Theralux minerals are packed full of magnesium, meaning it's great for R&R. Thanks guys, and a big thank you to the entire Reece team for helping me put together this property. It has been such a wonderful process. Our family can't wait to use it over summer, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. Bye for now.